Welcome to our tutorial on editing motivational videos using the power of Canva, ElevenLab, and CapCut. In this video, we'll show you how to create visually stunning and inspiring content that resonates with your audience. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or simply looking to spread positivity, join us as we dive into the world of video editing and motivation. Let's get started. Hey there! I just wanted to take a moment to remind you of how incredible you are and how much potential lies within you. You're on this journey of creating video. Step 1. Designing inspirational graphics with Canva. 1. Exploring templates. Open Canva and browse through a variety of templates designed for motivational content. 2. Customizing visuals. Personalize your chosen template by adding motivational quotes, images, and graphics that align with your message. 3. Enhancing aesthetics. Experiment with Canva's design features to enhance the visual appeal of your graphics, making them eye-catching and inspiring. Step 2. Adding empowering voiceovers with ElevenLab. 1. Recording voiceovers. Use ElevenLab to record motivational voiceovers that complement your visuals and convey your message effectively. 2. Editing audio. Fine-tune your voiceovers by adjusting volume, clarity, and pacing to create a seamless and engaging listening experience. 3. Layering sound effects. Enhance your voiceovers with background music or sound effects to evoke emotions and captivate your audience. Step 3. Editing and captions with CapCut. 1. Importing assets. Transfer your edited graphics from Canva and voiceovers from ElevenLab to CapCut for video editing. 2. Arranging footage. Arrange your visuals and voiceovers on the timeline, ensuring smooth transitions and cohesive storytelling. 3. Adding captions. Incorporate captions that highlight key points of your message, making your video accessible to a wider audience. 4. Applying visual effects. Enhance your video with visual effects, transitions, and overlays to captivate viewers and maintain their engagement. Step 4. Final touches and exporting. 1. Reviewing and refining. Review your video for any final adjustments, ensuring everything is aligned with your vision and message. 2. Fine-tuning audio. Adjust audio levels and balance to ensure clear voiceovers and impactful background music. 3. Exporting your masterpiece. Export your finalized motivational video from CapCut in high definition, ready to be shared with your audience on various platforms. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've now mastered the art of editing motivational videos using Canva, ElevenLab, and CapCut. With these powerful tools at your disposal, you have everything you need to inspire and uplift your audience with compelling content. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and start creating motivational masterpieces that make a difference.